If Goldilocks was looking for the perfect bungalow, 2 Meadow Way would be it. Not too big to easily manage, not too small to fit all her favorite furniture. It would be just the right size to downsize the work, but feel right at home in a bright and comfortable space in the heart of Swan Lake Village. Welcome to this 1,940 square foot detached loon model with beautiful west-facing views of the adjacent conservation area and spectacular sunsets from the west-facing back deck. As you pull up, you are welcomed by a single-car garage and covered carport, as well as a sunny east-facing front patio for your morning coffee and a sheltered entrance into the home. This house feels airy and spacious as soon as you walk in the front door, with a wide hallway with coppered ceiling and pot lighting, hardwood flooring, and a front hall closet. Our favorite feature of the loon model is the way the living and dining areas span the back of the house, with soaring cathedral ceilings, a gas fireplace with marble surround, hardwood flooring, walls of windows, and a walkout to the back deck. Bring your full dining room and full living room sets, they will fit. This custom bins kitchen was built with efficiency in mind, with pot drawers, ample storage, integrated Miele appliances, Corian countertops, backsplash, task lighting, and an extra window for natural light. Everything you need is at your fingertips. There is a cozy breakfast nook with conservation views to sit and watch the world go by. The primary bedroom on the main floor has hardwood flooring, fits a king-size suite, has a walk-in closet, and a full ensuite bath featuring a custom vanity, walk-in shower, and soaker tub. The second bedroom is located on the other side of the hall for privacy. It also makes a great office and has a full bathroom conveniently located just outside the room. The loon model has a dedicated separate main floor laundry room, so you have ample storage at your fingertips and you can just close the door and hide the mess. Moving upstairs, this upgraded loft area has hardwood flooring throughout. There is an open office area with window and a separate bedroom area for guests with a full bathroom on the upper level. The unfinished basement is perfect for storage or your dream rec room project. The southwest exposure of the rear of the house brings beautiful views in every season from the comfort of your living and dining room areas or out on the extra wide back deck with barbecue hookup and a rare partial cover that allows you to use your outdoor space rain or shine. Enjoy nightly sunsets and chat with the neighbors as they pass on a warm afternoon. The location of 2 Meadow Way is ideal. Nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac with visitor parking close by, you are an easy walk to the main Swan Club with social events and amenities, and to the nearest satellite clubhouse with outdoor pool, pickleball court, party room, mail, and more.
Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stouffville Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about this very special home, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.